Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious omelet with cheese and mushrooms. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You will need 2 to 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, and 1/4 cup of sliced mushrooms. Also, have 1 tablespoon of butter, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper ready. For equipment, grab a non-stick pan, a whisk, and a spatula. Now, let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter, allowing it to melt. Once melted, add your sliced mushrooms and sauté them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender and slightly browned. While the mushrooms cook, crack your 2 to 3 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and whisk them vigorously until they are light and frothy. With your mushrooms ready and eggs whisked, it's time to form the omelet. Pour the whisked eggs into the hot pan, gently tilting the pan to ensure the egg mixture spreads evenly across the bottom. Let it cook undisturbed for approximately 1 minute. You'll notice the edges begin to set, but the center should still appear slightly wet. Now, sprinkle your shredded cheese and sautéed mushrooms over just 1/2 of the cooking egg. Almost done, using your spatula, very gently fold the plain, unfilled half of the omelet over the half with the cheese and mushrooms. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, allowing the residual heat to perfectly melt the cheese inside. Once the cheese is gooey and delicious, carefully slide your beautifully crafted cheese and mushroom omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately and enjoy your homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.